deep in the ancient mountains of Egypt, where the scorching sun beats down on crumbling rocks and the desert wind wipes away any trace of modern life, there lies a mysterious pit, forgotten by time, cloaked in eternal darkness. This is the story of Golden Hunter, a daring explorer determined to descend into the unknown, driven by his instincts to uncover the ancient relics of the pharaohs. By the way, did you know why Golden Hunter wear masks? The Golden Hunter wears a mask to conceal their identity because they fear that someone might steal from them and that their life is in danger. Golden Hunter, a passionate treasure hunter and amateur archaeologist, had heard many tales about the mysterious pit. Rumors swirled that no one had ever entered and returned alive, yet he was resolute. Armed with a simple camera to document every step, he prepared to face the abyss. Now, deep within the pit, Golden Hunter begins to use his tools to search for clues. His metal detector hums as it scans the ancient stone walls. The weight of the darkness presses down on him, but he pushes forward. After hours of searching in impossible conditions, a familiar sound breaks the silence. A sound that signals he's found something. Something valuable. Despite the overwhelming darkness, he recorded every moment, hoping to document a historic discovery that could change our understanding of Egypt's ancient legacy. One of the most famous Egyptian pharaohs is Tutankhamun, often referred to as King Tut. He became pharaoh at a young age, around 9 years old, and ruled during the 18th dynasty. His reign was relatively short, lasting only about 10 years, but he is one of the most well-known pharaohs today. King Tut is often remembered for the discovery of his nearly intact tomb in the Valley of the Kings in 1922 by archaeologist Howard Carter. The tomb contained a wealth of treasures, including gold artifacts, a chariot, and his famous golden mask, which has become a symbol of ancient Egypt. What makes Tutankhamun's story particularly intriguing is the mystery surrounding his death. He died at around 18 or 19 years old, and the cause remains uncertain, with theories ranging from accidental injury to illness. His untimely death and the opulence of his burial have fueled fascination with ancient Egypt, leading to renewed interest in its history and culture. King Tut's legacy endures not just through his treasures, but also as a symbol of the mysteries and grandeur of ancient Egyptian civilization. This was a short information about one of the most famous pharaohs in Egyptian, but let's get back at our Golden Hunter. Have you ever asked yourself why are so many valuable items such as jewelry and gold hidden deep in the ground? Okay, we have an answer for that. There are many valuable items such as jewelry and gold hidden deep in the ground for several reasons. Ancient civilizations, like the Egyptians and Romans, often buried precious objects with their dead, believing they would serve them in the afterlife. Some treasures may have been hidden during times of turmoil or war, as people sought to protect their wealth from looters. With his hands covered in ancient dust and his heart racing, he uncovers a small but significant object, a carved artifact thousands of years old. He knows this is just the beginning. When Hunter wiped away the ancient dust from the first artifact, an indescribable excitement surged through him. Before him lay an artifact preserved by time, with carvings speaking of a civilization long forgotten. More digging revealed even more fragments of Egypt's royal past, amulets and symbols of ancient kings. These were the treasures of a cultural legacy hidden in this dark pit for millennia. The objects were untouched, pure and laden with secrets waiting to be revealed. After hours in the dark, amidst danger and uncertainty, Golden Hunter had achieved what many dared not even dream of. He had uncovered treasures of the ancient Egyptian kings. This discovery would rewrite history and stand as a testament to the determination and bravery of one explorer who refused to turn away from the challenge. But this was not the end, only the beginning. Let us know in the comments what those signs mean. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.